Hello friends, I am going to describe about plants. See this plants, why it is green? Because it absorbs green. No, it don't absorb green color. This plant absorbs all the colors, but it don't absorb green color. That's why this is green. And why its flower is yellow? Because it absorbs all the colors, but it don't absorb yellow color. Okay, then I'll show you something mischievous that you haven't seen in your life. See how much green we see. There are many geethers over here. Tell me the geethers English in our comment box. And see, the plant gives us so much oxygen. And see, our Tauji hai. What do we say, Tauji? You tell us in the comment box. See this. It is a big fire in food. It has been cutted from here. See, it has been cutted from over here. See, this is a whiteboard. And see, we have so much. Two people are standing there. See, and we have so much greenery over here. See, we have our temple over there and the banana tree over there. We have got all of the things. These are papayas. You don't get fresh papaya in the market. You don't get fresh papaya in the market. You get fresh papaya in the village. That's why those are papaya trees there. You can see by zooming it. I have shown you by stopping it. And see, it is the plant of French bean. How much bigger it has grown. See, I'll shake it. Then see this. How much bigger it has grown to there. And see, it is a small plant. It is very small. Bigger and bigger and bigger. And this is a neem tree. It gives us oxygen more and more and more. See how much big is it. And this one and those plants are our fruits. Guava, mulberry, blackberry, and vegetable also. We have so much vegetable like kakwada and carrot, radish. See, radish. How much thick is this? You will see by zooming it. How much thick? And see, these are carrot plants. And this is where these are mustard plants. What you can see behind me? It is so much radish, and it is so much radish. And this, why it is white? Because it absorbs all of the colors, but it don't absorb white color. See this. That's why it is white. Bye. Then we will meet again in the next video. Like, share and subscribe.